already rich, just looking for that. This party sucks, I'm about to ditch. Don't even try to give me I've earned the right to be like this. Oh, you say you love me? That's funny. Well, so do I. I'm just looking for a joyride.